to the fourth day of the Corporate Farmers Naccima and NGX workshop on enabling women entrepreneurs through access to affordable financing. This program is a program that is well designed basically for women in celebration of the International Women's Day. I'm your host for this morning. My name is Aki Alabi, and I'm moderating the 2 days of this beautiful workshop that will bring in opportunities across the entire ecosystem for financing our beautiful women across Nigeria and Africa at large. Also, I want to especially welcome our guests that are joining us virtually to be part of this event. And we have you all across the country and some part of African countries. From Kenya, from Lagos, from Akure, from Ondo, Cross River, Calabar. I want to say welcome for this day one of this beautiful workshop, specially designed for women and how to access affordable financing.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Choma Woke. I look after Alpha and Lady Banking at Union Bank. Alpha is Union Bank's value proposition for women, designed to enable women succeed at whatever their goals and aspirations are. It is for every Nigerian woman, so it cuts across every segment of the Nigerian society, from the grassroots woman to the career woman to the market woman. Everybody, Alpha is for every Nigerian woman. I'm one of the team members of One Woman is the gender team that we focus on women, female entrepreneurs and individuals.
This training is brought to you by Naccima, the NGX, and of course the Corporate Farmers International. So right about now, while we are going for our tea break, we're going to be having a little bit chat with our first guest to the first session, Chioma from Union Bank. I hope you've learned a lot today on the workshop brought to you by the NGX, Naccima, and of course the Corporate Farmers International. I have one of the participants that participated right here at the NGX building, and the person of Julie Ekom. Did I get the name correctly? All right, pardon me. All right, so Julie, tell us what's your take home for today?
Yeah, it's actually a nice program, an eye-opener for me, because when one of the speakers shared her experience about being a farmer and how she went about being a little farmer like she described it, I think it's something that's worth it. So it's something that has given me a different knowledge, it's something that has encouraged me to want to do something too. I've always had the mind of taking part in rabbit rearing or snail, just starting something little. So like she said, it's going to help me to start in my own way, to ensure that I maybe from there I can progress to a different thing. But it's really a rich outing, actually, a very rich workshop.
All right, so this is great. It means this workshop, as one way or the other, spur you into action, right?
Yes.
So we hope to see you again tomorrow.
Yes, I'll be here.
Okay, so we are right back. And so right about now, we want to take let's hear your experiences. Let's share your experience. What have you learned since the workshop started yesterday? And of course, we've ended the first session of today's women empowerment training. So let's have your experience. Is there anybody online who wants to share with us? Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Who is on the line? Kindly share your
Can you
video with
hear
us.
me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. All right.
Okay. Thanks so much. This is Sobio Adeshola Layuka Musadejo.
All right.
I'm so much delighted to be in this training. I've really gained a lot. I'm into
Great.
education. I'm
Great.
into so many things.
Wow.
So,
Wow.
COVID-19 has really brought us very, very close to the future.
Yeah.
And this has made me to really engage myself in so many things. Like yesterday, I didn't really know before now that you can have peer-to-peer learning, as in coaching access to industry leaders through Union Bank, that's membership, mentorship rather. So yesterday I gained that.
Great.
And that there is individual and business solution as well. I also learned, I heard that there is discount, there is a partnership, there is what is called Alpha Women, and which I want to key into.
Amazing.
And we've been trained on how to access financing, as in to get loan funds to improve our businesses. Although I have my school I can't say it's a rural area because Badagry is coming up now.
Okay.
So Badagry is coming up now. Even with that yesterday training, it really made me to believe that yes, since that yesterday, I now believe that for every opportunity there's responsibility.
Yes, that's
for
true.
every responsibility there is accountability.
Yes.
So, and which I now see that yes, I just need to be patient because when Mrs. I think it should be Mrs. Victoria, she really talked about being patient. Before now, I have a cage on water, on ocean beside me.
Oh wow.
And it was intervention. Not investment, it's intervention from World Bank.
That's
and
amazing.
I can say that since that intervention has been given to my chamber, because I'm a member of my work,
Okay.
but I agree. So since that intervention has been given to my chamber, three women we were given an opportunity to be part of the intervention. So I did not really know that there is some other avenue which can really help this intervention.
Wow.
Because the intervention was given to us once and for all. So, but that yesterday training made me to understand so many things, how the intervention can move on, how we can even, how our project, because I discovered luxuries before then. When we harvested our the first fish, there was so many challenges. But now, since yesterday, I now believe that challenges are real, but they are surmountable.
Yes.
So,
all right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I believe that you cause a change. Yes, you cause a change. I believe that you cause a change in your school at Badagry.
I said you should be the change you want to see.
Oh yes, oh yes.
I was not commented that in everything you should be the change you want to see, and since
yes,
I've been developing them, doing that, I see changes. Thanks
it's so great.
Much.
Thank you.
Well done, and I give kudos to the organizers. Well done.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Giving us a goodwill message and appreciating the entire body that put this together. Once again, we want to appreciate our sponsors and our partners that have worked with us in putting this beautiful workshop together, from Union Bank, Sterling Bank, Rivi, the NGX-Academy, Corporate Farmers, MTN, in putting up a beautiful workshop specifically for women in Nigeria and how they could access finance.